They do not know why we leave, only that suddenly we are not there. There is no explanation for them, no idea if it is for minutes or for hours, just the quiet after. So they go to places that still feel familiar, places that smell like us, places that feel normal. Every sound outside feels like it could be their person. Every pause feels like a maybe. They do not count time, they just keep waiting in the same moment. And when we come back, they do not ask where we went, because for them, the only thing that mattered was that we are here again. Follow Tailsure for real dog moments, simple, honest, and true.